Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Moto G45 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Sound and Vibration. Then let's scroll down to find this ringtone and sound section, and as you can see here we've got two different ringtones. The first one assigned to the SIM card, a regular SIM card, and the second one for the eSIM. So the whole process looks the same in both, so I'll show you how to do it using the regular SIM card. Just tap on the option, and here we've got the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any kind of sound to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option Add Ringtone. So if you've got any kind of files, for example, downloaded or recorded, they should appear somewhere here. You can search through the folders, and then you will be able to tap on it and set it as a ringtone. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. So let's pretend I want this natural option to be set. So just make sure that it is marked and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen ringtone to notify us about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.